Here are the complete contents of what you get in this book. You have a man, the men. Interesting man here. Sailor man here. Interesting man there. Man who is juggling maybe. Biceps. Uh-oh, nude man. Oh my. Man thinking. Abstract. Person. Woman. Woman. Oh. He likes to accent body parts. Man with a baby and a light bulb? That's weird. Like those French clown eyes. There he is again. Sometimes some pages will just show faint work that's from the page before. Must be some kind of charcoal. Interesting. Pretty dark looking some of these are. Hey, he's got an arrow in his tummy. Scares me. That's pretty good. But notice the butt cheeks. He loves to accent the butt cheeks. There's that clown guy again. He's pretty good. Oh, nice western. So you can tell there's a lot of art here in one color picture. Just going to have to finish it off this way. Notice the butt cheeks. I guess that's father and daughter. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Cavalry. Something. Guy there. Lady there. And that's it.